Hey, so just wanted to do a quick video today. I noticed something a little bit odd in the autopilot in Model 3. So I was getting some weird sensors notification here with software version 2021.4.12. That is, as far as I know, the latest version. And it seemed to have an indication that there were actually obstructions on all four sides of the vehicle, and it was very strange because it would indicate that as I was driving down the road when there's clearly nothing around it. So I don't know, maybe my car is so dirty that it actually shows that it has obstructions. I'm not sure, but when I turned on autopilot, it actually went away immediately. So a little bit of an odd behavior. Thought I would go ahead and point that out. And if anybody else has experienced something like that, let me know. This is actually the second time I've experienced this within the past few days on the Model 3. And actually the last time I did get a notification that I was not able to use autopilot temporarily until it came back. So just a little weird thing that showed up. Not much else going on until we get that button. Hopefully we're going to get that button sometime soon. Now it sounds like it's going to be in April to get that full self-driving beta option. So definitely looking forward to that, and we'll have lots of videos coming out then. But until then, not a whole lot going on, and no software updates since really since December. Everything since then has just been minor updates. So anyway, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.